Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix a bra cup into your bustier to give it a perfect standing bustier. Let's get into it. So this is the front part of my bustier. I've already joined the center and the sides together. I used the forcible interface I used for the front part is my stay. Okay, so I did same thing for the lining as well. I used stay for the lining as well. Now the next thing I went ahead to do was grab my cup. To know the cup size you want to use, just use your bra cup size when you want to buy. So me, I use a 38, so I bought 38. So I placed it on my under bust point. Okay, that place I'm placing it is my under bust point. And after placing it on my under bust point, I'm going to sew. But first of all, you want to secure with pins so that everything is put together. You want to press it inside so it will be easier for you to sew, which is what I did here. So after doing this, the next thing I went ahead to do was I took it over to my sewing machine and I joined it. Remember, I placed the cup at my under bust point. Okay, so you want to make sure you're taking your time to sew it so at least the stitches will be neat, not because you are fixing it inside the thing will not be rough and anyhow. So I took my time to sew it round. For sometimes I don't sew the top of the bra cup, sometimes I sew the top, so depending on my mood. Okay, so after joining it all round, this is what we have here. I went ahead to cut out the thread, took out the pin. So after taking out all the pin, this is what we have here. You want to make sure that that place that puffs, okay, that place that puffs out, it's inside, it's on the wrong side of the lining, because that is where will fit into the main piece of the bustier. Okay, so the next thing I went ahead to do was to place the main piece and the lining right sides together, and I joined the top, took it back to my sewing machine and I joined the top. Okay, so after joining the top, I went ahead to top stitch. I also joined the bottom. If you want to know how I made this bustier blouse, just check out the full tutorial on my YouTube channel or on my Facebook page, wherever, or my TikTok page, wherever you're watching me from. Okay, so after joining the top and the bottom and top stitching, I turned it over. This is what we have here. Now you want to make sure you give the bottom and the top a very good press. So this is what the back part looks like. You can see how the cup, this is why you need to, that place that puffs, it needs to be inside, not the outside. Okay, so you can see that the cup is already standing. You guys, this is how I fix my bra cup and use it to pad my bustier. You can see this bustier has a very perfect stand. It looks good, it looks beautiful. This is just the easy way, the simplest way, and the fastest way to use your bra cup to pad your bustier. If you've watched up to this point, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you give this video a like. If you're watching from YouTube, make sure you subscribe. If you're watching from Facebook, make sure you follow me. Bye.